Hey, parachute string here. I'm down here in Atlanta, Texas. Got a train coming. Excuse me. Signal thing's on down there. Yep, got one in the daytime this time. I had to come run my little dog down here at the dog vet real quick. Had to give her a shot. I'll come down here and just hang around out here and see if I see a train. And I finally got to see one. I hope y'all subscribe, like this video. Probably just taking his time getting here. Just wait till he gets here. Should be here any time. Here, parachute string shadow. I don't see nothing yet, but he's coming. I don't see his light yet. Go ahead and lock the door. Go ahead and lock the door. Well, the train taking a while to get here. I still haven't seen his light yet. But he'll get here when he gets here. Oh, there's his light. I see his light now. There's his light down there. He's getting here. Just really slow. He's getting here. Yeah, down here in Atlanta in the daytime this time. Probably get to see a train today. Well, today. But that train's almost here. We'll get back to the video. He's almost coming up the hill. He's still down the hill, but he's almost coming up it now. Yep. He's just coming up it right now. He's been to Longview and Marshall and Jefferson. And right now he's in Atlanta, Texas, heading to Bloomberg, Texas, and Domino, and then Texarkana and Texarkana, Arkansas, then Hope. So here he comes. There he is. Like just a freight train. See a DPU, see the heat waves coming out of the engines. We'll see how many he's got on him. I think he's got 2 on him. Yeah, got 2 on him. know this video's about to come in. Here comes the ending. Well, the video's almost over. See y'all in the next video. Hope y'all subscribe and like the video. Click and like and subscribe on the bottom. See y'all in the next video. Bye. I'm not going to end the video right here. I'm going to end it when the train's over. And here he is. There's the end. There's old Fred. There's old Freddy. See y'all in the next video. Bye.